Christmas! Come to Sully's Story Cafe!
Hi, welcome to Sully's Story Cafe. I'm Sully. How may I help you?
Do you do Switzerland-style hot chocolate?
We certainly do. Let me get that started for you. While you're waiting for your hot chocolate, let me tell you about a Swiss folk tale. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and make sure to hit that bell too for more amazing, totally amazing hot chocolate stories from around the world. There was this guy, his name was, not Santa Claus. He was Switzerland. His name was Sammy Claus. And he had his twin who used to get the kids, hope we don't do that no more. We're just gonna say, who used to get the kids coal. Every December 5th, the kids' parents would remind them to clean their shoes and put them next to the door so they can get a treat. Sammy Claus. Or they could get coal from Schmaltz. They used to get spankings, but cut that out. No. So I'm going to tell you a story about a little boy named Jack. Jack was a very mischievous boy during Christmas. This Christmas, he was playing video games up past his bedtime, which is like 11:30 p.m. His mama told him to go to bed. Schmaltz and Santa Claus were on their way. He didn't listen. His mom told him like 20 times or so. So Jack was still up on his PS5 for like 9 hours, I think. And so he wondered why Santa Claus and Schmaltz didn't come to his house yet. Finally, he went to sleep, and Schmaltz came in when he went to sleep and put coal in his stocking. Jack was sound asleep, so he didn't know that Schmaltz was in his house. So then Santa Claus and him had a discussion. Santa Claus said that they should give him another chance. So they took out all of the coal and then gave him a bag of fruits and nuts. They left the one piece of coal in for a warning. Then Jack woke up the next morning. He woke up to see his shoe full of fruits and nuts. And he found the one piece of coal, which he knew was a warning. He promised his mom and dad that he'll go to bed from now on when he's supposed to. Hope you enjoyed the story and your drink. Thank you. Probably the best hot chocolate I've ever had. That is homemade from scratch.
And who made it? Who made it?
Me. If you want, come to Sully's Story Cafe. Merry Christmas.
And who's gonna clean up this mess?
Dang it.